This feels better. The arm swing looks even on both sides.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna slide up to the bottom of the glute fold. Left or right? Which one do you feel more? Left?
Left.
Or right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Table, let it go.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
So I have compression in my lower back, and my neck and back shoulders are always aching because I'm slouching forward. Yeah.
So when do you slouch forward? Is it a work posture?
Yes.
Let's start off with an exam. Let's see what your spine says, and then we'll walk you through the entire process. So explain what I'm doing while I'm doing it, and then when you're ready, I'll adjust you, okay?
Okay.
And the left shoulder is high. The arm swing looks even on both sides. Keep going. And the left hip is restricted moving forward. So just observing your spine, you can see a very slight translation. So it's not like a curvature. You don't have any scoliosis or anything like that. But you are translated off. Tender, ticklish?
Tender. Is that where my kidneys are?
We're about that level, yeah.
Okay, yeah, because I have a kidney disorder. I got rhabdomyolysis. So some of my kidney muscles deteriorated.
So tender?
That tickles.
That tickles.
Yeah.
But this side is tender.
Yeah.
Open. Close. So it's dropping on the right. Good movement here with the left SI here. Good. Open. Close. All right, I'm going to look at your glute fibers now. So you're going to feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings. Slide up to the bottom of the glute folds here. You're lower on the right, higher on the left. Then looking from the top, we're externally rotated on the right.
Okay.
So possible PIEX on the right hip. Push down into your sacrum, okay? Okay, do you have any pain, discomfort when I push here?
No, only at like the last second, but it's just my tailbone.
Side?
Only at the last second.
Here?
Yeah.
All right, pushing into your lumbar spine here. Left or right? Which one do you feel more? Left?
Left.
Or right?
Yeah, I don't know.
We're going to start in the middle, right here. So let's practice it first. So you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. I'm going to follow your breath like this. And then at the end of your breath, push in that direction, okay? Wow. Wow, that is so tight. Okay, we're going to do one a little bit higher, about 2 segments up. Relax a little bit more. Did you feel that right there? Is it painful? The only thing that makes an adjustment painful is when you tense up against it. The adjustment itself should not hurt if you're completely relaxed and if you allow it to happen. But we'll do some more gentle ones just to see if we can. All right, so let's try 2 segments higher from the last one I just did. Sinking in, letting your back sink in. Good. Good, that was very good. Do that again. Deep breath in and out. Good, sinking in. Good, good. Good, and out. Gentle. Bring your hips down, and then we're going to push in that direction, okay?
Okie dokie.
Lay on your back. Good, a little bit more. Lay on your back.
That was a lot. That felt good. I used to be 5'9" when I was 14 or 15.
What?
Before I got all the compression in my lower back.
What?
On my x-ray you can really see it.
Okay, right leg is still short on the supine. That's good. Go ahead and turn your head to the right. Center. Okay, bring your left ear down to your shoulder. Center. Right ear down to your shoulder. Okay, center. And then all you have to do is let your head drop into good, just like that, Megan. I'm gonna follow your breath like the other adjustments, and then we're gonna push like that, okay? So a little bit of tension here in your shoulder. That's okay. There it is. That's perfect right there. You're just completely letting it go. We're gently pushing in like this. Doing great. Let it go. You still feel it?
Yeah.
That's okay. Realize you still feel it. Still feel it now?
No, not so much anymore.
Okay, good. All right, so we're gonna do the left side now. Just following your breath. And testing first. Let me test. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I'm not counting down. Just test again. Let this relax. 7, 6, 5, 4. Yeah. Okay, so just sinking in. Good. Let this go. Let it all go. Let it all go. Let it all go. There's nowhere to. You don't have to hold. You don't have to do anything. Every time you breathe out, just feel your head just dropping into the table. Let it go.
Hurts a little bit.
You're gonna feel so good after this. Okay, not bad. You're doing good. So here's how we adjust the pubic bone. You're gonna squeeze my fist in between your knees, okay?
Okay.
Squeeze. Hard as you can. Okay, now push your knees out to the side. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, same thing. You're gonna squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, relax. Okay, push out to the side. Push, 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 push. Okay, hold your knees together. I'm gonna pull them apart like this, okay?
Okay.
Hold.
Was that supposed to happen?
Yeah.
Oh. It's funny.
Okay, nice gentle breathing. Breathe into your belly. Good, let that relax. Good, breathe in. Good, breathe into your belly, out. Tender, not ticklish, right? Mm-hmm. Almost there. Good. It's tense. Breathe out, pull your belly in. Just feel that? Just feel a huge release there. I'm gonna turn your head to the right. Okay, let your jaw relax here like this. Just let it open about halfway. Good, and just kind of sink in. Then very, very gentle. I'm just gonna push like that. Is there pain when I push like that?
Mm-mm.
Good. Damn.
Ow.
Let your shoulders sink as you breathe out. Let it go. Boom. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
So from here, what I'm going to do is just let your head relax. I'm going to follow your breath, and then at the end of your breath, we're going to do one little pull like that, okay?
Okay.
All right, nice and gentle breathing in through your nose. Good, in through your nose. And then out through your mouth. And following your breath, and then we'll go like that. Okay, do that again, in and out. You can close your eyes, nothing to look at. Good.
Oh. Yeah, that was intense.
Like this. Now bring your chin in. Look up at the ceiling like this. Keep going. Look up. Breathe. Squeeze. Damn. Did you ever hurt this wrist? Any injuries here?
Oh yeah, I fell off my bike when I was in 3rd grade and buckle fractured this arm.
This feels better. Muscles aren't as tight up here. Still have a trigger point right there. Okay, breathe. Push your shoulders up into my thumb.
Oh, why?
Just do it. Good.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.